Alright y'all, so we're working on BJ's truck. We got a new motor in it. So let me tell you a little bit about the exhaust. So this motor this motor come out of a 4-wheel drive. Got the dual plane 4-barrel intake on it with our spacer, throttle body and all. The manifolds are off that 4-wheel drive too. Well, this is a 2-wheel drive. The Y pipes are different. So we had to, at first, he had the damn pipes dumped outside, right out this way. And,
like two V-Techs fighting over each other.
Yeah, it sounded like two V-Techs fighting. And so, we fixed it. We found a Y pipe for it. Got it all bolted up and everything. Well, so the O2 bung for the 2-wheel drives, you can actually probably see it. The little flat spot right there, is where it would be drilled out for an O2 sensor to go. Well, on the 4-wheel drives, on some of the Chevrolets, they put them all the way down there on the Y pipe. So b.j.s ghetto fabulous rigging job, he wired like this. He's running it all the way over top of the motor, all the way down, and he's down there wiring it up right now. Say hi, BJ.
Hey, guess what?
What?
Cross that in a torque. Tight's tight.
Yeah. I did. How tight is that O2 sensor?
So I'm just saying, I'm probably gonna fucking pull this Y pipe back out when I have to change it.
Oh God.
Get that motherfucker ain't coming out.
See, yeah, we're not.
Remember your lug nuts?
Oh, you are never touching another lug nut on any of my trucks ever again.
I only knew one of them.
On all 4 tires.
Again. What happened last time, Kyle?
I damn near broke my breaker bar trying to get them off.
We did break a breaker bar.
Oh yeah, we broke that cheap breaker bar.
Yeah.
No, we didn't. We broke the Craftsman breaker bar, and the China breaker bar took it off.
Yep.
Go figure.
Yep.
After we bent the shit out of it.
Yep.
Yeah.
And I put them all just a 4-way.
Yeah, you stood on them.
That is only a 4-way.
Yeah. But yeah, he drove it home last night with the side pipes coming out. No hood. It stormed its ass off last night.
They'll probably get driven with no hood again tonight.
Probably get driven with no hood tonight. He got mad at the old motor and kind of smashed the grill out of it. It was already fuckered up, but still. And then he put it.
Hell, I kicked that motherfucker out.
Yeah, and then
fucking god damn it!
then he put a knee to the condenser.
Shit happens. Hey, look, hey, pull that positive or negative off for about 10 minutes.
Positive or negative or both?
It doesn't matter. Just as long as it resets the computer.
Oh, I can show you how to reset it. Okay, so positive ain't coming off. Nah, you can.
I'll reset it by Tannerite.
No. Nah, one way you can do it is the brain hits the battery. Touch the positive and negative terminal together off of the battery. And what it does is it brain deads the computer.
Cool.
And
let's see how she runs now.
Because the computer holds a solid charge, it holds a charge inside of it to remember all your points and everything.
It worked! I don't think you like that.
I don't think it did either. plug wires on the distributor. Make sure they're wired right. This thing is running like shit still.
It's not raining.
I need to take the plugs out of the heads of that other one, put it in here. I mean, it'll make you home. Make you home. It'll get you home. And it ain't spewing oil out of the back because when we stand the motor, it's oil pressure gauge off of it. So it spewed oil everywhere. Alright, y'all, I'll keep y'all updated.